Slowly, the motorcycle came back together. This 40-year-old motorcycle was left to die.
Covered in rust, broken, forgotten for decades.
But one man saw potential where others saw scrap.
Step 1. Complete teardown. Every nut, every bolt removed.
This wasn't just a bike. It was history, waiting to breathe again.
Years of dirt revealed the true damage underneath.
Layer by layer, the past was washed away.
Rust fought hard, but patience fought harder.
The heart of the machine, completely worn out.
Piece by piece, the engine was reborn.
A fresh coat of paint, bringing life back to metal.
Shine replaced rust. Beauty replaced decay.
Slowly, the motorcycle came back together.
After 40 years, it rides again.